Hi, it's Steve Sorensen at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. These are our friends Wayne and Jackie Dixon from Oak Forest.
Yes.
Yes.
Just came in and got your third vehicle from us?
Yes.
All right.
How come you guys keep coming back to Phillips?
Because we love the service and we love the deals we get.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And the salesmen, sure, they make it happen.
Hope it gives you many years of quality service. And as salesmen, we hand out green tomatoes and hot peppers too to our customers once in a while. So we're gonna do
Yeah, we got some fried green tomatoes this evening.
All right. Well, listen, enjoy, and come see us at Phillips Chevrolet.
Yes.
Yes. Thanks a lot, now.